Alright guys, so this is my first video lesson, so I hope you guys are okay. I'm just going to go through question 1. My phone's probably a bit wobbly on this stand, but sure, we'll give it a go. So question 1, so Roy is paid €11 per hour for babysitting. He babysits from 9 PM on Saturday until 2 AM on Sunday. So work out how much he earns. So we don't know that from 9 PM till 12 AM, so that's midnight. Okay, so they're working from 9, so 10, 11, 12, so that's 3 hours. And then they work from 12 till 1 and then 2, that's a total of 5 hours. Okay, and they get €11 per hour, so we just multiply that together and we get €55. If you're not sure, just pop it into your calculator and you get €55. Make sure you show you're working, because remember that's where you get your marks. Next one, Helen was born in 96, her brother Keane was born 2 years later and 3 months later. So in which 2 years could Keane have been born? So if they were born in 1996 and then 2 years later, then that would make it 1998. So that's one of your options. And then they could have been born in 1999. Because if she was born in, say, November or December, then that would make it into 99. Next one, a football pitch was 140 metres long and 80 metres wide. So we have 140 metres long, 80 metres wide. Make sure you draw the diagram, it'll help you. You can pause me at any stage during this video and just try and work it out yourself. That's what you should be trying to do anyways at home, because I do know it's hard to do it, but you should be giving it a go anyways. Work out the length of the perimeter of the pitch, so that's all the way around. So that's 140 as well, that's 80 as well. Add them all together. Put that into your calculator. So 140 plus 140 plus 80 plus 80, end up with 440. Okay, so that is in meters, so put in meters into your answer. The speed limit in the city is 50 kilometers per hour. Powell drives 10 kilometers in this city without breaking the speed limit. What is the least amount of time in minutes this would take? Okay, so you know it's Dad's silly triangle. So it's asking you what is the least amount of time. So looking for time. So you must do distance divided by speed. So the distance here is 10 and the speed here is 50. So I know 10 is the distance because it's just kilometers. I know that 50 kilometers per hour is the speed. So put that into your calculator. So 10, sorry, this has gone wrong, so I'll do shift and then clear and then 3, and it's just going to clear it all. So then I do 10 divided by 50, get 1/5. Okay, that's nothing to do with time. I want time, so I press this button again, remember, and I get 12 minutes. Okay, next one, work out the value of 1.7 and to be cubed. So I put into my calculator 1.7 to be cubed. So there's a button here, or you can just press this button here and put in 3, same thing. Press SD, remember. So I get 4.913. Go back to the question, doesn't say anything about rounding. So that is your answer there. Okay, next one, so add 50 grams, 200 grams and 3 kilograms, give your answer in kilograms. Okay, so you have two options. You can change everything to grams and then change to kilograms, or you can change them to kilograms straight away. So I know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, okay? So you can divide them all by 50, so by 1,000. So 50 divided by 1,000 is 0.05 kilograms. I know that 200 grams divided by 1,000, is 0.2, and I already have this one in 3 kilograms. So it's just a case of adding them now. So okay, and you get 3.25 kilograms. Now, how many complete injections of 15cc can be taken from a full 1 litre bottle, which is 1000cc? So you're trying to see how many of these you can fit into 1000. So you're going to have to divide here. So we're going to do 1000 divided by 15. And you get 66.6. Okay, they're asking me how many complete ones will I get. Well, I'll get 66. Alicia buys a guitar for €400, so that's how much she buys it for, and she later sells it for 450. Find her percentage profit. Well, first thing you should do is find her profit. So her profit is, she sold it for 450, she bought it for 400, that's a €50 profit. Okay, so find her percentage profit. So you put the 50 over what she bought it for, so that was 400, and then a percentage always multiplied by 100. So I'm going to do 50 over 400 multiplied by 100, and I get 12.5%. So that's a 12.5% profit. Okay, so for I then work out the size of the angle X in the diagram. So we know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So what you can do first is find this one. So if you add 64, add 44. That gives you 108 degrees. Okay, and we know that the remainder then is going to be the missing angle there. So I'm going to do 180 divided by 108 and put that onto my calculator. I get 72 degrees. So that 72 degrees is actually this angle here. Okay, the next thing you know is that angles on a straight line add up to 180. So if you do 180 minus 72, gives you 108. Okay, so that means that that's this angle here. So that's your answer there of 108. Okay, for the last one then, we've got a prize of 200 divided between Harry and Ferry in the ratio of 2:3. Work out how much money each person gets. Well, you have to work out how many parts they have. So 2 add 3 is how many parts we have. So we have 5 parts. Okay, but they're splitting that €200 into 5 parts. So we're going to have to do 200 divided by 5. And that's 40. So that means that one part is worth €40. And this person gets 2. So Harry gets 2 times 40, which is 80. And then Fergie gets 3 parts. So 3 times 40 is now 120. And what you'll notice is that when you add these two together, they add up to 200, and you know you're right.